How to update my address in the Charlotte Immigration Court for people living in North and South Carolina. Hi, my name is Luis. I am a student at the Duke School of Law. This video was produced by the Duke Immigrant Rights Clinic. It is important that the Immigration Court have your current address so that they can let you know if your hearing is rescheduled. For this reason, if you have moved addresses or plan to move, you need to understand how to tell the Immigration Court your new address. The law requires you to file a change of address form with the Immigration Court within 5 working days of the date you changed your address or phone number. Ensuring that the Immigration Court has your current address is important so that you can know when you will need to go to court.
If you miss a court date, the court can order you deported from the United States in your absence. Therefore, it is extremely important that you know when your hearing is scheduled so that you do not miss your court date. In this video, we will focus on changing your address with the Charlotte Immigration Court. This video is for individuals whose case is already in the Charlotte Immigration Court, but who have moved to a different address in North or South Carolina. If your case is not already in the Charlotte Immigration Court, but you now live in North or South Carolina and wish to ask that your case be moved to the Charlotte Immigration Court, please watch the video labeled "How to Ask for My Hearing to be Moved to the Charlotte Immigration Court." For this process, you will need access to a printer and the internet. If you do not have a computer that can access the internet or a printer, visit your local library. Many libraries have printers and internet available for public use. Once you have confirmed that your case is already in the Charlotte Immigration Court, download an Eoir 33 for the Charlotte Court to update your address using the link below. This link is also posted in the description of the video. Click on PDF next to Charlotte. This will open up Alien's Change of Address/Phone Number form. You will need to print out the form. On most computers, you can click File and Print to print out the document. Now, let's complete the form. Starting at the top, find the box that says Name. On the line below Name, you will write last name, followed by a comma, your first name, followed by another comma, and your middle name. Next, you will move to the box that says Alien Registration Number on the top. The alien number begins with the letter A and is followed by 8 or 9 digits. It is sometimes called the A number or USCIS number. You can find your A number on most of the documents you received from immigration. Write your A number on the line below Alien Registration Number. You will then move down. We will start on the left side of the form where it says my former address and phone number were. The first line is optional. Use this line if your mail arrives in someone else's name. You can write their name on the first line. On the next line, you will write your old house number, old street name, and if you lived in an apartment, the old apartment number. Below, you will write the old city, state, and zip code. Because you're in the United States, you do not need to write the country. Below that, you will write your old telephone number. Next, we will move to the box on the right side of the form. It says, My current address and phone number are. The first line is optional, and you should only use if your mail should arrive in someone else's name. If that's the case, write the name on the first line. Next, you will write your new address. Write your new street number, street name, and your apartment number, if you live in an apartment. On the next line, you will write your new city, new state, and new zip code. On the last line, you will write your new telephone number. Next, you will sign and date the form. The date you write should be the date you will send out the form. This is because you will need to certify that you're sending copies to the Office for Chief Counsel for DHS, Immigration and Customs Enforcement. On the next section, you will write that you are submitting a copy to the Office of the Chief Counsel for DHS, Immigration and Customs Enforcement. Write your name on the first blank, the date on the second blank, and on the last line, you will write 5701 Executive Center Drive, Suite 300, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28212. You will then sign the form. After you complete the form, make 3 copies of the form. The first copy will be sent to Immigration Court. The second to DHS Immigration and Customs Enforcement Legal Counsel. And the last is for your records. Place the original in an envelope. You will write your name and your new address on the top left corner of the envelope. In the center, you will write U.S. Department of Justice, Immigration Court, 5701 Executive Center Drive, Suite 400, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28212. On the top right corner, you will place a postage stamp. You can visit a post office to obtain the stamps. Place a copy in the second envelope. Again, on the top left corner of the envelope, you will write down your name and address. And on the top right corner, you will place the postage stamp. On the center of the envelope, you will write Office of the Chief Counsel for DHS, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, 5701 Executive Center Drive, Suite 300, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28212. Mail both envelopes by dropping them into a U.S. Postal Service mailbox. Congratulations! You have completed the process of notifying the Immigration Court of your new address.